Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Signal account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store depending on whatever application you are on, and simply go ahead and search for Signal. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here. Click on this application, click on Get. It's going to ask you to verify yourself. Simply go ahead and do that, and it's going to start downloading and installing onto your device. It's not even going to go ahead and take that much. So let's just go ahead and wait for it until it downloads and install it. Now simply go ahead and click on the open icon, and now click on continue. Once you've done that, click on continue again and click on allow. Click on allow access, and you can share all your numbers as well. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and add your mobile number and simply choose your region first. So simply go ahead and do that and click on next. Once you've done that, click on yes, and now it's going to verify your account, and it's going to start creating your account by asking you a verification code. It's also going to go ahead and ask you for a password, so simply go ahead and create a password as well. And once you've done that, you're going to be logged into your brand new account right over here. So simply go ahead and do that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.